An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meter below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use? When he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, what will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? Let us consider that this is an electric pole of height 9 meters and this is the point where the ladder should reach. This point is 1.8 meter below the top of the pole. So the remaining part of the pole will be 7.2 meters. Because the total height of the pole is 9 meters, 9 minus 1.8 is 7.2 meters. Now at this point the ladder will reach. So which is making 60 degrees angle with the ground. Now we need to find the length of the ladder, and the second thing is the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. So in this triangle ABC, if we observe with respect to this angle 7.2, the side AC is opposite side of the angle 60 degrees and AB is adjacent side. First we will find AB, which is the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Here opposite side is given and we have to find adjacent side. For that we will use tan theta, which is the combination of opposite side and adjacent side. So we can write it as tan B is equals to opposite side AC by adjacent side AB. Since angle B is 60 degrees and AC is 7.2, we can write tan 60 is equals to 7.2 by AB. We know that the value of tan 60 is root 3 from the trigonometric table. So root 3 is equals to 7.2 AB. So now if we transpose this transpose this AB on right hand side and root 3 on this side, so that will be, so AB is equals to 7.2 divided by root 3. Now rationalizing this, root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 is 3. So we can write it as 7.2 root 3 divided by 3, 3 1 times 3, 2.4 times. So AB is 2.4 root 3. Now we have the adjacent side as 2.4 root 3. Now we will find the hypotenuse, which is BC. So for hypotenuse we will use the adjacent side and hypotenuse. So the combination we should use is cos theta, which is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle, the adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is BC. So we can write cos B is equals to AB by AC. Since angle B is 60 degrees, cos 60 is equal to AB by AC. And the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. And we know that AB is 2.4. So substituting in this equation, so transpose this BC on this side and 2 on this side. So 2 times of 2.4 is 4.8 root 3. So BC is equals to 4.8 root 3. So BC is the length of the ladder. This is BC, which is length of the ladder. This is 4.8 root 3. And the second thing is the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole is 2.4 root 3, which is AB.